Hello, friends. I want to clarify something that I am often asked about and try to give you an answer. The significant difference between knowing something and believing something is a topic that many people are frequently concerned with and yet often misunderstood. Let's dive deep and explore the topic thoroughly. What does it mean to know something? Knowing means that we can rely on secure knowledge supported by evidence, data, and logical conclusions. It is the result of verifications, experiments, and critical analysis. For example, when I say that the Earth is round, this knowledge is based on a wealth of scientific evidence collected over centuries. This knowledge has been repeatedly tested and confirmed. In science, knowledge is the highest good. It means that we can rely on the truth as we know it. Scientists spend years testing hypotheses, collecting data, and reviewing their results before recognizing something as knowledge. What does it mean to believe something? Belief, on the other hand, is a subjective conviction that is not necessarily based on facts or evidence. It is often emotionally influenced and can be strongly affected by personal experiences, culture, and upbringing. Belief can play an important role in our lives, especially when it comes to religion, personal values, or life philosophies. But belief and knowledge are not the same. An example: many people believe in the supernatural, in ghosts, or in fate. These convictions are often based on personal experiences or stories passed down from generation to generation. However, there is no scientific evidence to support these beliefs. Therefore, we speak of belief, not knowledge. Half knowledge. The dangerous middle ground. Even more dangerous than pure belief is half knowledge. Half knowledge means that someone has a rudimentary understanding of a topic without fully grasping it. This incomplete knowledge can lead to false conclusions and decisions. An example: someone has heard that vaccines might cause autism. This person may have read an article or followed a discussion, but did not take into account the scientific studies that prove the opposite. This is half knowledge, and it can lead to dangerous decisions, such as refusing life-saving vaccinations. The journey of knowledge through history. It is important to remember that our current knowledge rests on the shoulders of thousands of years of human insight. Even in early human history, people began to understand the world around them and pass on knowledge. The discovery of fire, the invention of the wheel, the development of agriculture, all these milestones were steps on the path from belief to knowledge. But this path was never easy. It was always easier to believe in simple explanations than to understand the complicated processes of the world. In antiquity, people believed in gods who hurled lightning because they could not explain natural phenomena. Today, thanks to science, we know that lightning is caused by electrical discharges in the atmosphere. Why it is difficult and thankless to acquire knowledge. Acquiring knowledge is a difficult and often thankless process. It requires curiosity, patience, and critical thinking. Scientists must constantly question their theories, conduct experiments, and analyze data. The path to understanding is often rocky and full of setbacks. But that is exactly what makes knowledge so valuable. It is much easier to believe in something without questioning it. It gives us a sense of security and belonging. But in science, it is about looking beyond the horizon and understanding the world as it is, not just as we wish it to be. Conclusion: the importance of knowledge in our lives. In a world that is becoming increasingly complex, it is more important than ever to understand the difference between knowledge and belief. Knowledge is the foundation on which we can make safe and well-founded decisions. Belief has its place in our lives but should not be confused with knowledge. And half knowledge. We must avoid that because it can lead us astray. Friends, let us always strive to know more and make the effort to dig deeper instead of being satisfied with superficial knowledge. It may be difficult and sometimes thankless, but the reward, a well-founded understanding of the world around us, is worth every effort.